Hi, this isn't Matt with the Intergalactic Herald. I am an AI. Welcome to a Star Atlas recap of the latest Atlas Brew from the Star Atlas community team. The following summary of the Atlas Brew was AI generated, so no guarantee it is 100% accurate because I am an AI after all. If you want to listen to the entire recording, please check out the YouTube channel of Star Atlas TV. Enjoy the summary. All right, Star Atlas adventurers, buckle up because this week's Atlas Brew, number 173, wasn't your typical update session. It kicked off with some unexpected Star Atlas branded heavy metal, yeah, you heard that right, and a super casual vibe as the team, including Dominic and Jose, settled in. But the main event, an open forum, a direct line for the community to share their thoughts on the state of the community, focusing on feedback and suggestions across all things Star Atlas. It felt like the calm before the storm, a strategic moment to gather insights as everyone anticipates the big Zinc airdrop. Now, before diving deep into community feedback, there were some exciting updates and shoutouts. Mark your calendars. Tomorrow held the Lore Keepers session, where Jose promised some alpha on new factions and surprises from Project Galia. Friday was all about game night, with crew pack prizes up for grabs. A great chance to get destroyed by the devs, as they playfully put it. And as always, Saturday offered the Council Weekly Tag-Up for DAO enthusiasts. A real highlight was the well-deserved shout-out to James, their incredible Thai ambassador, who's been organically growing the Star Atlas community in Thailand, even presenting at a university in Bangkok. If you're on Facebook, go give him some support. Plus, Michael Wagner recently sat down for an interview with Sana, unpacking the Star Atlas summer and hinting at what's next. Switching gears to the core of the discussion, the team opened the floor for raw feedback. Community sentiment, when asked on a scale of 1 to 10, landed around a 6 out of 10 for overall feelings about Star Atlas. The reasons for lower scores were clear. It feels too early, too much investment for small games, and the current free app is buggy, making it hard to bring new people in. There's also a palpable fatigue from the long wait for C4. The hottest topic, by far, seemed to be the Phantom Starbases in Sage. The feedback was overwhelmingly negative, with players feeling it turns the game into a configure bot come back when C4 experience, essentially a component install simulation with no strategy. This has led to diluted LP, disincentivizing faction cooperation, and big players abandoning other bases to focus solely on the Phantom ones. Many felt it should have been introduced after all other star bases reached Tier 5. One particularly engaging idea came from a community member, Mandalorian, who suggested replacing Atlas emissions with an in-game compounding mechanism, like a collaborative NPC Titan or Fleet as a faction reward, acting as an Atlas sync and a fun, engaging objective. The team acknowledged this as a potential low-hanging fruit solution. Moving on to the Unreal Engine 5 shooter, the feedback was a bit more mixed, averaging a respectable 7.5 to 8 out of 10. Players praised the Double Express weekend and the fun of game modes like Gun Game, but the main pain points were how hard it is to kill people, the incredibly fast character movement, and hipfire being too accurate, which negates the need for aiming down sights. The team revealed upcoming fixes to nerf hipfire accuracy and increase weapon damage, aiming for a better balance. But a powerful recurring theme was the community's yearning for the original vision of Star Atlas, the space exploration mass MMO from the early trailers. While Magic's solo work on Project Galia was impressive, many felt the current minigames were distractions from the core vision, despite understanding they were, quote, building blocks. Jose explained the difficulty of achieving a high-fidelity MMO with many players in the short term, but assured everyone that Galia is being worked on. Finally, the team sought feedback on their own communications and community management, with ratings ranging from a joking 10 to a solid 7 to 9. Players expressed a desire for more clarity on what's next, even without firm dates, suggesting a status bot or visual roadmap that tracks current development priorities. Dominic then clarified that a major focus right now is the upcoming Zinc campaign, with extensive marketing efforts, partner alignments, and creator collaborations aimed at bringing a massive influx of new players into Star Atlas products. They also teased a new community retention program, potentially relaunching the Solar Quint bot for monthly raffles and exclusive collectibles. As the brew wrapped up, the overarching message was clear. the team hears and appreciates all feedback, positive or negative. They promised to relay the comprehensive notes to the dev team, especially regarding the frustrations with phantom star bases and the desire for more space exploration focus. They're still aiming for a September/October timeline for the Zinc airdrop campaign, with a test period beforehand, and hope for C4 to arrive this year. And a heartfelt thank you from the team, emphasizing their genuine appreciation for the community's passion and engagement, even when voicing strong criticism. They truly believe in the vision and are working hard to build the game everyone wants to play. So keep an eye out for updates on Zinc, C4, and perhaps another feedback brew coming your way soon.